Hey everyone, Miss Reimer here with Music Teacher Message. So today was actually supposed to be my first full day in Disney World. I had plans to go there for spring break, and obviously that got canceled. So I'm at home, and I was thinking about some fun things that people are putting out there on the internet for us to do while we are at home. So one is Jake Shimabukuro, who's my favorite ukulele player. He's been doing a bunch of live streams, so if you're into ukulele music or you remember me talking about him in class or whatever, he's been doing live streams on Instagram and on Facebook. So if you're interested, you might want to check those out. I actually got to meet him a little over a year ago, so I will link that video up there if you haven't seen it. Another thing that I found out there on the internet is that some people from Disney Animation Studios are posting videos where they're showing you how to draw some of your favorite characters. So today I saw one where they're showing you how to draw Olaf. How cute is he? And so it's like a 15-16 minute video where they're going to show me step by step how to draw him, and I thought that sounds like fun. It's something different, and I still get my little bit of Disney since I was supposed to have been there today anyway. So I'm going to jump in and try to learn how to draw Olaf. This could be amusing. I'm really not much of an artist. I was a dancer for a long time and obviously a musician, but drawing, I enjoy it, but it's not really my thing. So I'm gonna give it a try and we'll see how this turns out. Let's dive in. Okay, I've got my overhead camera ready, iPad is ready. I've got a little sketchbook from when I was a kid, pencil, nice gummy eraser. I think we are good to go. Let's get started. All right, quick check-in. I've got sort of Olaf's face, head thing, kind of. You can kind of tell who that is, right? Yeah, this is, it's tricky. He makes it look so easy, and yeah, let's press on. Alright, sounds like we've finished the head. Made some changes, cleaned some things up a little bit. I think it's coming along. I gotta say, this video that I'm watching, I'll link it in the description below or up there or something. It's a fun video. So the guy, he obviously worked on the movie, and he's talking about some things when they were deciding what Olaf should look like or sound like or whatever. So it's kind of some behind the scenes storytelling while he's teaching you how to draw. Pretty cool. Highly recommend. Let's keep going. Next, we're gonna do the body. Alright, so I have reached the end of the tutorial or whatever. So my finished Olaf is looking like that. So, not too shabby actually. That turned out better, I think, than I thought it was going to. And it was a lot of fun. I'm not the biggest Frozen fan out there, but I enjoyed hearing him talk about why they made certain decisions about how Olaf should look or sound or move, or what kind of materials he should be made out of in the movie and stuff. It was really interesting. So again, I will link that video in the description below in case you want to follow along with the same video that I was watching and make your own Olaf at home. But I highly recommend this, and yeah, I hope you have fun with it. If you do give it a try, please say so in the comments. Let me know what you thought of it too, okay? So thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.